Hello again, everyone. It is Tuesday morning, 19th of October. Let's take a look back and review what we put out yesterday on the video. Starting with the Astro Excel, we had the Vedic timing windows in the area of the low. We'll get to that next. But the green line started bullish the 17th and it's carrying all the way up. It starts to flatten out. This morning, about 4 a.m., it started to flatten out, and it's going to be flat. We got one more bump up at about 11:50 or so, and then we're peaking between 11:50 and about 1:35. We're going to peak out on the green line, and then the green line starts to head back down. Let's review the timing windows. Here's the windows from yesterday. We got this low just outside the window, but I've mentioned in a prior video, when you have an A1 panel, white or green block, right near the beginning or the end of the window and they overlap, you will often get a decent reversal at that point. The other part of this was, I mentioned yesterday, when the B1 panel here went from red to green, that was an important point for the down move to end and the bullish trend to begin. We did make a high in the bright green window, and then we went sideways for about 3 hours, and then at the end of that window it started to turn up again. Let's switch to the pH and see how the pH indicators worked. Remember, these were all pH indicators that I placed on here for triggers. I'm just going to dial in on that a little bit on the pH chart and show you that. Okay, we projected these points forward. So this one here, this red P2 with the blue P1 was one projection, and then the yellow black P2 with the gray P1 was the other projection. The rest of them are the standard indicators. You can see the first one in the morning we picked up a very minor retracement, triggered along. The next one at the end of the P2 segment triggered along. Both of those were small trades, not much there. This was the window at the end of the white window in the green block on the A1 panel. You could take that reversal bar in that window for a trade that triggered that long. The projection was a nice low triggering along. The end of the big P3 segment was a small corrective low that triggered the biggest move of the day to that point. Then the afternoon, we got a short on the first signal, and then the second signal we had to swing down into the next signal at the end of the P2 segment, and that took us up right into the close there for a decent trade. So you can see all those signals are good. You wouldn't have got hurt. There's definitely money to be made with the Storm tools. So I'm going to leave that there. We've got stuff going on today. I'm not going to put that out today. I'm just going to make today a review. We'll be back again tomorrow with some more. We'll see you then.